Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video. So, in this video, we would be learning about the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So, ideally, why we will use VLOOKUP and at what situations, and at the same time, when will we use a HLOOKUP? So, the criteria for using a VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP is based on your master data. So, if your master data looks like this in a vertical way, then we will be using a vertical lookup, which is a VLOOKUP. When it is in a horizontal way, then we use a HLOOKUP formula. Right? So let's try understanding it using a VLOOKUP formula first equals to VLOOKUP. I will take my unique values as a member ID, and then I go to the master data where the vertical data has been located, and I will freeze the data from master sheet, and I will give a index value as 2. The reason why I'm giving a index value as 2 is because when we are searching with a member ID as a unique value, so member ID is already into a column A, sorry, first column, which is B, and we are looking for the website, so which is in a column 2 or in the C column. So that is the reason I passed the criteria as 2, because B is a starting range and G is the ending range, so C would be the second range for us. So once you do that, you also need to give an exact match. If you need, click on that, and then boom, your data is ready here. So if we are looking for the city, then we need to do the same criteria. Here you come, you give a unique value, you select it from the table array range once again, and freeze the array. Now what we are looking is for the state, right? So comma 3, state is in the 3, 1 2 3. Let me explain you once again. State is under 3. The reason is 1 is member ID, 2 is a website, and 3 is a state. So in that way, we are looking for the state as 3. But here, if we are looking for a city, then check on the city. City is on 4, which means I'm getting a state details under city. So I'll come here back, and instead of 3, I will select the range of 4 and ask for the exact match. So here it's showing the city as Haridwar. So let us see city Haridwar. Yes. So when it comes to state and phone numbers, let's try with HLOOKUP. Okay. So this is a horizontal lookup. So now we are going to select the state and phone number from the horizontal lookup. So for horizontal lookup, what we'll do is like equals to HLOOKUP. Once you select the HLOOKUP, select the unique value. So after you select the unique value, come to the horizontal table and select the data range. Once you select the data range, so freeze it. I would always say freeze it. Once you freeze that, what are we looking? We are looking for the state. So state is like in the 3, right? In the number 3, because member ID is 1, website is 2, so that is the reason state is 3. So I will pass with the criteria of 3, and I need an exact match. So tada, I got my state with the help of HLOOKUP. So again I'll be using a HLOOKUP to find out phone number. So HLOOKUP, pass an array range, and I mean unique value, come to the master data which you hold, and select the data criteria from here to here and this. So what are we exactly looking? We are looking for the phone number. Phone number is under the 6. So select the index number as 6 and ask for the approximate or exact value based on the requirement, and it has passed me a value. 1 second. Let me retry it again. Equals to HLOOKUP. I will select unique value as member ID. Once I select the unique value as member ID, I'll come here and I will pass the criteria range from here to here based on this. And one second. A5 would be my unique value. So based on A5, what I'll do, I'll go to the membership details. From here, I will select the range till there and down. I'm going to freeze it, comma 6, comma 0, exact match. And here we got the details now. So this is how HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP do works. And I'll be attaching the same sheet into a description as well. So kindly go through the description and practice the HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, guys. And I'll come up with a new video on a lookup again in my next video. Thank you.